akala mo na nawala akong ibubuga. Teka lang sandali, tumigil ka at titigan ako sa aking mga mata.
Hey yo, what's good everybody? I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So today we'll be checking SB19 features Gloc-9 perform Kalakal live on Wish 107.5. So it's been a while since I've done a reaction to SB19, and speaking of which, I want to say Happy New Year to everyone. And may God bless you through this prosperous 2025. So, without further ado, let's see what's up with this performance by the SB19 and also Gloc-9. Peace.
SB19X Glock.
Wish.
Here we go.
175.
Let's go. You can't stop this, we're gonna get it. Who can not? Cause we're born to sing it. Alam mo yan, pag kami laging iba. Laban ang ibang pag kami nagtitinda.
Out for new niggas, yeah. There's a new touch. Brazilo, digga, where? There's a new touch. Dagang panuwengan na nindadera pero bigyan ng zero. Grabe sila masuko pag makita nila ikaw nagpaka-real. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Nakarinig ka na ba ng kwan? Yung nag-rap ang isang di makabasag pinggan. Boses niya ay anghel pakinggan. Mga salita'y nakikipagsuntukan. Kakaiba, di makakaila. Kakainin mo lahat ng mga salita. Masarap, di ba? Di ka magsasaw. Lunukin mo na lang, tama na ang kuda.
Binura, sinara, pero di mo pa rin gaya. Isubo, marana, wala dinala kami. Nagsimula lahat kumaya. Laging pinibilahan kahit nga hindi magbed. Paano pa kaya kapag naputol tong kadena? Sa unang tingin palang kala mo na nawala akong ibubuga. Teka lang sandali, tumigil ka at titigan ako sa aking mga mata. Tamo ba na bukod sa aking mukha? Daming bagay pa ang pwede kong itinda. Wag mo nang alamig, baka mahigit ka. Lika rito, babakunan kita. Why don't you just listen? Bakit ba yaw nyo pang
Rapid burst lyrics. Ra, 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 ra. Yo, what amazing talents. Hey, what amazing talents, bro. Hey, to be honest, bro, SB19 never fails. Like, always giving us some bars performance, bro. This spirits are lit.
Alam ko namang isa ka rin sa palihim na gusto ring makatigil sa iyahain. You can't stop this, we're gonna get it. Who can not? Cause we're born to take it. Alam mo yan, pag kami laging iba. Laban ang ibong pag kami nagtitinda.
Filling it up, let's go, we're drinking it up. It's too much, we came with the sauce. For real, you know what is up.
Oh yeah, you can't stop this, we're gonna get it. Laban ang ibong pag kami nagtitinda. Bawat tunog na pinipinta, ding hindi mo to maiinda. Parang patalim na tinara, kaming pinadana, kadamang-dama mo na. Dala namin pagkamayang parating, tulad ng isang pinagbigyang hiling. Makikita na lamang ang iyong sarili na sumasang-ayong. Kahit ilang ulit pang dumaang panahon, naming alulong, di makukulong sa kahon. Dumadagundong na parang gulong na pison sa isang tugon, tumatalon sa balon. Kami lamang at wala ng iba pa, itaya mo na lahat na kayang ikasa. Na nakaharang ang dinamika, hindaan na kasi mapapala. Baka yan ay dapat na alam mo na. Why don't you just listen?
Bro, I ain't gonna lie. Everyone here differently, bro. Talented. And bars is here, bro. And I'm telling you, right? The rapping skills is fabulous, bro. Very good. Very good. On point, bro. On point.
On your mo pang aminin. Alam ko namang isa ka rin sa palihim na gusto rin makatigil sa iyahan. You can't stop this, we're gonna get it. Can't not, cause we're gonna take it on mo yan. Pag kami laging iba, lapad ang ibon pag kami nagtitinda.
This month we're taking it up. 2 months and give me the sauce. So real, know what it's all.
Oh yeah. You can't stop this, we're gonna get it. Lapad ang ibon pag kami nagtitinda.
Yeah, this month we're taking it up. 2 months and give me the sauce. So real, know what it's all.
Oh yeah. You can't stop this, we're gonna get it. Lapad ang ibon pag kami nagtitinda. Yeah.
That was a terrific performance, to be honest. That was a terrific performance. Very good, guys. Very good. SB19, the Gloc-9, you guys killed it. Well done, bro. Well done. Well done. So if you guys enjoyed my reaction, remember to leave a like, smash that subscribe button, share this to a friend, telling him or her about this Jamaican reactor. I'll see you guys in another SB19 reaction. And remember, if you guys have any more suggested comments that I should react to next by the SB19 or the SB19 and Gloc-9, leave them down in the comments and we all can, let's have fun together, bro. We're all here. So, see you guys next time around, bro. Peace.